Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So today's video is a short one. It's just to demonstrate the auto takeoff and auto landing. I did remove my camera just in case something happens because I really don't want to break the camera. I also don't want to break the quad either, so hope it survives. Anyways, we got a little bit of snow there last night, which is kind of sick. Although it'll be gone by tomorrow, and we won't see any more snow for, till about November 11th, I think is the next time we're supposed to maybe get some. So, well, let's see what happens here. Auto takeoff, here we come. Had to catch that one.
Well, auto yo-yo?
Auto hurt the fingers. So we have an auto yo-yo. Yeah, that sounds about right. Alright, let's turn this puppy back on.
Warning kids, don't try and catch it with your hands.
Yeah, it hurts. I just didn't need it hitting my car.
Okay.
Here in case it hits the snow. I'm just going to try a straight auto land. Well, that wasn't too bad. Blades are still running. And it decided to take off again, but that's okay. Get that thing out of altitude hold. Whatever it's in. Okay, I have no control over this. Now I do. Alright, let's try this auto takeoff one more time. Oh, my thumb still hurts, man. Don't catch these things with your fingers, would you? Alright, auto takeoff. Oh. That went much better. Very nice. Okay. And it puts you in altitude hold automatically. So, auto land. And let's take off normal and get out of the snow. Okay guys, so it actually does work well. However, just as an FYI, trim the quad out first. And that's a good question. Will it hold its memory of the trim settings and then do it as normal? So let's turn it off. And I'm going to turn the quad off. How's my screws holding up? Actually really good, surprisingly enough. Nice. Okay, those are my modded screws I put in for landing gear. Okay, so that's back on. Rebind. Step back. And auto takeoff. A little bit of trim up. Good. Okay, auto land. Perfect. So it will hold its memory. So your quad has to be trimmed out first so that it hovers as stable as possible. This allows equal motor drive as best as it can do, right? And the function will work. So let's just take off again over here and get out of the darn snow. Okay, I would call that successful. I will not show you guys the emergency shutdown because that is only in case of an emergency. And depending on what height you have to hit it at, well, it could pop your landing gear off or something, but or cause some damage, but at least you'll not hit something that you shouldn't anyways, like the side of a building, or a tree the wrong way, or you caught in a tree. But anyhow, so yeah, next is my full review on this thing. So the camera works. It does have some jello to still get rid of, obviously. Well, I'll have to figure something out on that one. I've got a few ideas, but definitely for auto takeoff, auto landing, before attempting that, I would suggest, like I said, fly the quad, trim it out in the air so that it's as trimmed out as possible. Fly your quad, have fun. It's going to keep its settings, apparently it does, which is good. And then you should have no problem doing your auto takeoff, auto landing sequence, because I've just shown that it does actually work fine, but you do have to pre-trim the quad out first, and away you go. So, thanks for watching, and hey, check out my full review on this thing. That'll be uploaded shortly to my channel, and I'm going to go over this